Start again. Allah is the most multiple benches where teacher, my class fellows. Good evening, Assalamualaikum and Namaste. First of all, myself, Bruno and Nikita from class 8. Today our presentation day, but my presentation topic is If I Were A Millionaire. If I were a millionaire, I would invite the personal growth, focus on education, healthcare, and the environmental. In our conversation explore on education on opportunity for positive impact, financial planning, donate. Bluntly donate 20% to education and healthcare. Invest supporting local and community development projects. Investments are allocated to 30% to substantial energy in involved each startup and social interface, promoting environmental communications. Savings manage 50% for long-term wealth management, emergency. Personal goals: travel, explore new cultures, learn language and experience diverse perspective. Hobbies: photography, music, and writing to foster creativity. Education workshop, conference, and online courses to skills. Dream home. Design an eco-friendly, sustainable living space. Communicate impact. Job creation. Support local business entrepreneurs and involved startup. Communicate events, host culture festival, charity events and education. Environment conversations. Partner with organization and promote reforestation, wildlife preservation and sustainable personal growth. Leadership development. Attend workshop and to enhance leadership skills, networking, connecting with influence through and minded individuals, mentorship, guide younger students and aspire for instance. Future planning experiences, invents in new ventures, industries and markets. Innovants develop substantial product, services and solutions, and establish a foundation scholarship program or community center. Being a millionaire would provide the opportunity or growth to and positive impact. Responsible wealth management can change lives, shape life future and inspire others to strive for greatness. I complete my presentation. If you have any question, please ask me.